What?
Yeah, we get to go riding.
We get to go riding.
I'm excited.
Hey YouTube, welcome back. Just a little vid for the ladies. I want to show them how fun it is to ride with the one you love. So check it out.
I just waved to that nice motorcycle cop and he waved back. It was very nice. He didn't have gloves on. That's very odd. Don't you think that's odd? That they don't have gloves? How come?
Because you can't, you'd have to take, that's one step between grabbing his pistol, you'd have to get his gloves out and grab his pistol.
Ah, okay.
Technique, they actually practice on old beat up motorcycles where they go into an intentional, they put the bike down intentionally.
Oh, yeah?
And they draw their weapon, and as they're putting the bike down, they're shooting at targets.
Oh, jeez. Oh, that's badass.
It's totally badass.
Well, welcome back, YouTube. We're going to take you on a beautiful ride through some beautiful country green hills. Right, Gary?
Pretend you're in Ireland.
We're going to pretend we're in Ireland.
Pretend we're in Ireland.
Yeah.
I love you, Alex.
I love you, Gary. And then we're going to go get some food. Woohoo! Riding down the highway. Get out of my way. Remember that song, baby?
Yeah.
Who sings it?
I don't know.
Brad. Brad.
Red?
Red.
Oh, there's another one. Another sub dog.
What's up, dog?
What's up, dog?
Oh, there we go. And now it's warmer. See, I told you.
That never gets old.
I know. I can tell.
What's up, dog?
I can tell, Gare Bear. I love it when there's nobody on the highway. Woo-hoo. Hey there, good looking.
Hey.
Hey there, good looking.
Don't you question me, woman.
Dang, we're going pretty fast.
Yeah. He's up.
83, 81.
You made good time coming in.
Yeah, we did. We were ripping, man.
I don't usually ride that.
No,
fast.
you don't usually go 80 down the
I do.
highway.
I do when I ride with my crew.
What, your crew?
my crew, my motorcycle club that I ride with.
Really? I didn't even know you had a crew.
I know. I only ride when you're, out riding.
You take off and ride without me?
Yeah, because I got my crew. I ride with my crew.
Well, who?
No girls allowed.
And who is this crew?
Well, we all go by nicknames, biker nicknames. I really, just to kind of protect our identities, because we get involved in some pretty crazy shit.
Oh, jeez. It's a family
But
channel.
there's Spooky,
Spooky?
Casper.
Oh, wow.
My nickname is Whisper.
Whisper?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Then there's Hang Dog.
What?
Hang Dog.
Hang dog?
Yeah.
Is he
And
a
then,
surfer? Is he a surfer?
And then Bird Dog
Bird dog?
and Big Dog.
And big dog. Oh,
Yeah.
Hang dog, bird dog, big dog. Wow.
Yeah.
Where did you meet all these guys?
Out of the road. Oh, and then there's Road Dog.
Road dog?
Yeah, he's our road captain. He's kind of in charge.
Oh.
Yeah.
That is quite a crew you've got there, babes.
I thought you knew.
No, I did not know.
Yeah. One's a vet.
One's a vet?
Yeah. We kind of keep it up. We call him Sarge.
You call the vet Sarge?
Yeah, we kind of keep an eye on him.
Oh.
He's in his 80s.
He's in his 80s.
He rides a motorcycle with a sidecar.
Oh, wow.
Sometimes he picks up chicks, hitchhiking chicks.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wow, I had no idea, sweetheart.
Yeah, yeah.
I'd like to meet him sometime.
Yeah, that won't happen.
Oh, shoot.
No.
No,
No girls allowed.
no girls allowed. Okay.
Yeah.
What the heck is that?
They put a...
oh, it's a bear with PPE all over it.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the little creek, Gara.
Yeah.
And here we are, folks, in Ireland. Gary and I went to Ireland. And there are the cattle in Ireland.
This is a family channel.
Yes, it is. Beautiful. It's just beautiful, sweetheart.
Well, let's turn around and do it again. Look at this.
Got a couple bikers over here?
Yeah,
ooh, nice bike. Oh, wow. That's a beautiful bike. Thank you. Wow. Huh? Oh. Wow. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, you know, we took a ride out on Turry Road.
Oh, yeah, that's great.
It was a little gravelly, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did that last week.
Yeah, so now we're going to go into town and get a sandwich. Yeah. Yeah. You too. It's fun to see other lady riders, babes.
Yeah. Especially, you know, I mean, they were...
Like our age, yeah.
Yeah, our age.
I get a kick out of it. So are we going straight here?
Going right.
Oh, we're turning right here?
Yeah, down South Street. This is South Street now.
Oh, well, see, I consider this going straight.
Really?
Yeah. Turning right would have been turning right on,
Interesting.
you know, the main road there.
Maybe you'd like to be the road captain.
No thanks.
You know, and I'm riding with my crew. They don't complain.
Your crew. This sandwich is burning a hole in my backpack.
Yeah, we're hungry. What do we think? We're in Spain?
Dang, it's like 2:15 and I haven't eaten. What is this new coronavirus eating situation here? I don't eat till like 1 o'clock or later.
No, we may not be up for
But the thing is, I'm not losing any weight. All right, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. I see a kid crawling on the sand. Is that allowed?
No! Kick his ass out of here.
Oh, man. Thanks for the ride, babes.
Thanks for lunch.
Oh, thanks for gas.
That was a lot of fun.
Thanks for being so cute.
Whoosh, come on.